Alright everybody, welcome back to Atworthing's Racing 7. Hanging out in the shop here with my buddy Chance. As promised in a previous video, we're going to take a deeper look at the car, show you what it's all about, and my good buddy here is going to help us. Let's get to it.
This is the car. It is a 95 Honda Civic. Here in Michigan, we're running on asphalt. All aluminum body. Coilovers all the way around. Fully adjustable suspension. Released here, we run the Hoosier 790. That tire is questionable, but I'm sure you all have an opinion on it. We are running an H22, which runs phenomenal. We've got some work to do. Side skirt on the other side that you've seen was missing. Same with this side. The rear quarter is off, and I will explain why here in just a minute. Inside, decking all the way around. As you can see, or at least I hope you can, the tack is currently mounted down there. Don't know that I'm a fan of that. I'm really thinking about moving it up here, more in front of the steering wheel. If you guys have any thoughts on that, let me know. Greatly appreciated. This is here a Outlaw front wheel drive. So I will show you if I can. Lighting's not great, I apologize. But right where that bolt's sticking through, that is where my shoulder straps mount for the harness. And as you can see, the previous owner built a battery tray that goes all the way across. So when you're laying on the ground, that's a bit of a struggle to get to. So I pulled the rear quarter off to get to that. Say hi, Chance. That's a good boy. The previous car, I had an access panel in here on the decking to get to the battery and harness and everything. This car, that's a little more challenging. So if you guys have some ideas, let me know. It is fully tubed front to rear. See if I can show you guys here. The rear, fuel cell, fully tubed back here. There is the car. We've got some work to do. And as always, you will see all of that right here on the channel. I think the first project we are going to attack is, so the previous owner, the seat sat probably 5 inches further forward. And for a guy that likes cheeseburgers, that didn't work. So I had to move it back. Not completely happy with the way that it's mounted currently. So I do have a bracket that we are going to fix that with. So you will for sure see us tackling that. But anyway, there's the car. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hopefully you will continue to follow, see the progress. Our season, it is now January 20th. Our season starts April 26th. So we've got some work to do. Stick around. We're going to have some fun.